my people. Good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon. Today basically, well, I plan to do this one morning, but I didn't get a chance to because I was basically playing with baby Avi. In the morning, I was playing makeup with her. Anyway, so what I want to talk about today, well, it's not what I want to talk about. I'm doing basically what you're gonna see in this video is a throwback vlog. Yeah, it's a throwback vlog because I didn't have any vlogs for you guys today, and I wanted to basically do the intro in my studio space that I made, but didn't get a chance to because I've been up playing with Avi. So I was like, okay, let me quick and do it in my room. Alright, why I haven't been why you guys not getting up to date content is because I don't have anything to vlog about, and I was kind of feeling a bit down and depressed because of the virus that is going on, and just hearing bad news from my family overseas, that's in New York, one of my close family members, kind of make me sad. So I was like, I don't want to do any video showing you guys happy content, knowing that I don't feel happy. I feel a bit down and a bit sad. So I was like, eh. So anyway, so I was on my computer looking at some of my old content, and I saw this old time throwback video. And remember, whenever I'm sad or anything, I always have my family members around. We pray, we sing, we dance, we do all kind of things. And I was like, you know what? Since today's Friday, I'm gonna do back flashback Friday, or what you got back, throwback Friday or flashback Friday, whatever you guys want to call it. And I'm going to flashback some of the old videos when I was younger and everything. Most of these videos that you're gonna watch, I was basically, well, the first video, I was 15 turning 16 in the first video, and the second one I think I was 18, 19. So like these videos are funny, even though I had lots of them that I was looking at. I said, okay, this one is funny, and these ones look better than the others that I have. So I was like, okay, let me just put this up and you guys get a content to look back at more happier times, even though what is happening now, you get to see more of why I like vlogging and my background, and why I love showing you guys my family and my family life and all of that. Alright, so yeah, so you guys, on to the video, I guess. And also remember, before we say on to the video, remember to like, subscribe and share, and please guys, stay safe at home. Remember to wash your hands and all that, and continue please praying for your family member, my family member, and for the entire world. So let us pray and keep the blessing going on. Okay, so on to the video. So people, that's my twin sister right there on the bed, laying down. Believe it or not, when I was younger, I used to video everything, almost everything that we did in our life, because my mom bought me this little camera, and my family member used to hate when I video them. That's me talking, the audio is bad. That's me also dancing. I used to love vlog before vlogging was a thing. I used to vlog about everything that I did, because my mom bought me this camera, and I used to love recording almost everything with it. So yeah.
It's scratch. Come back it. There, boy, this one. Come down. We Rockefeller, the high weather. You know me. No, that's what happened. Get on down. No, baby, it's nice to see. But you still urgent.
Yeah, in this clip, I think I was what, 18 or 19 at the time, because I remember we came from youth camp, so I was about 18. And why I put this clip in it, and what I love about this clip, is that it reminds me, no matter what, when you have bad times, like what's going on right now, I always add my family members around me. That makes me happy. And this clip reminds me of those wonderful times when we had a terrible storm in Jamaica. It wasn't a terrible storm, but it was a storm, and we were just having fun in our house, whether or not the storm and all that. Also in this clip, you hear us trying to remember the name of the storm, but I think this was 2008. Yeah, and just me and my family members having fun, enjoying our time of the storm and all that. And it just made me feel calm and happy seeing this clip, knowing that no matter what, you can always have your family members around you, no matter what is going on here in Jamaica. And so yeah, that clip just reminds me of that time.
Twins gone wild. Sip twins gone wild. Sip twins gone wild. Oh my God! Chuck it in the house. Chuck it up. You're finally here. I took your name. Hey, I'm telling you. Some girl, man, I know how I'm going. I'm not fun. They want to walk with him hand in hand. I want some girl. Put them in. I want some girl, but don't sweat. No, that's sweet. I'm thinking about your knee. Do something like that. I'm not going to. Alright. Full set. Just like that. That's all we do now in air. Oh my God, why are you acting black now? Yeah, we're cool. Let's see that. Yeah, we're cool of them. Them like between one girl can't up the sun. Yeah, stop Ernesto. Ilopello, right? Why? Ilopello. Because that, yeah, that we run this. We run this. Hey, we run this. I want them here, boy. I want to hear, boy. I mean, drop the bomb. I'm single, and if there's a boy up there alarming, and they can't come out me. You ain't nobody there, my sister. In Kingston, Jamaica, and anybody around Jamaica. Nothing but Jamaica. Everyone asking for the army. I wonder why. They come my cousin. Everybody watch it. I hear the whole windows. Serious. What they tell me I wish not chicken. We are making for good. You're the real pump put it. Yeah, nobody I get with that. Hey, you know we love them. One of them sing epic. Not wanna drive. Wait, Pansy. God, them Alex, you buy some. She buy jobs. That's 6 years now. I'm underwear. I don't need to buy them. Thank you. Underwear. Alive. Whatever. You go buy a new wig. Love it, my show. Okay, we have more coming up. Then on Rosem Camp. Lovely me. We have more in the pot say. Lot more coming up with our lovely dinner thing. Designer clothes by our
R&R. Thank you. Always looking good.
R&R, come on. Big one, Booty.
Another air show.
One Booty. How are them girls feel like? How much time? Hey. I'm stepping and dance and some people borrow my wig. Well, look here. Hey, them man. Me take a girl, man. And she come up at about a week not fit me. And then give me a present. But take her things that I give me, I can't believe it. And she get him things. Funny, so funny. I think you're looking fun.
Okay, now on my cam, and I'm taking care of baby. I'm nursing. Got milk? Okay. Now I'm on the floor. Okay, you're gonna love this in day 8.
It's not like a Chinese.
Make some noise for the air show.
What are we cameraman a fan? We don't want to between them. We don't run down video like no video. Somebody not this way. Me a shop no man. Come on, tight. Come on, tight. Me a shop no man. Let's go. Out. Don't get her no man. In a bed, man.
I think it.
What for me the girl? She crew, we can still see her. Well, we can still see her. Too bad. Hey, I want them girl here. I could have wanted them girl here. I want them to feel up my leg, man.
Thumbs are over. Rocking it. Loving this. Loving it.
Here, go out of them both. Here,
You got you at everything. Fashion model is? Okay, she's on the phone and looking very fine and sexable. Check out the fashion, I'm going to show it together. Okay, last one is Russia Lauren. In Beanie Man from NC. Beanie Man from Macy and a good sitting in school uniform. She's from Putin. Okay, you can check out that outside. Okay, let me start. She's wearing a retro chic school uniform designed by R&R, retro chic.
Rosen Orange, however, it's looking very good tonight. I love the hairdo, designed by Georgie and Gabbana. Looking good.
She's wearing a retro chic design.
Made by Mark Echo.
Mark Echo, designed by Mark.
She looks like what you call downtown island fashion.
Downtown Island fashion with also the reggae skirt. Loving it, all create. The belt is very good too.
Wearing, because people nice, sexy, looking lingerie, top, looking your man. They know.
Second place. Place.
Hey. You're my girl.
You never see how it.
Oh, that girl, nobody can.
Security. Okay, security didn't come.
It's alright, security.
It was too shy. Anyway, you don't want to be on camera. You said a criminal record, so I agree. You shouldn't be on camera. Okay. Next. Number 1. Lolly Bella. Big. She forgot the name. Let me put on your credit.
Your Miss Broken.
I learned from my parents to know the most
Your Miss Broken.
I have to talk. Russia.